balanced. Every morning, the sun rises on this vibrant tapestry of green and gold. Join us as we
The journey of papaya begins here. From our farm, nestled in the morning mist, to the perfect dessert on your table. Every morning, as the sun rises over the fields, our journey begins. The journey of the papaya.
The pH is ideal now, right at 6.5. The compost has boosted the nitrogen significantly.
Exactly, and the improved drainage means the roots won't struggle.
By adding this organic compost, we improve the soil structure significantly. This is crucial for drainage and helps maintain.
We're testing the pH levels to ensure proper nutrient uptake. Good drainage achieved by adding this compost.
These hybrids show excellent uniformity in size.
Yes, which should translate directly to a higher yield per plant.
The size variation here is quite promising for the hybrid yield. Yes, and the texture indicates.
The uniformity here suggests a very stable hybrid, which means better yields.
I agree. We should prioritize these for the next phase of testing.
Is this spot exactly right? Yes, that's 30 centimeters. The next one goes here. Right here, exactly 40 centimeters.
Okay, secure the base gently.
Modern smart irrigation systems like this use drip lines to conserve water, feeding the roots directly and efficiently.
By utilizing smart drip technology, we can conserve water while ensuring optimal growth for these trees.
Drip irrigation is a cornerstone of modern water conservation, delivering precise moisture directly to the roots through smart technology.
Modern smart irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, achieving up to 95%.
This balanced fertilizer provides vital nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These elements are crucial for robust growth and the healthy development of fruit.
Please. Balanced fertilizers provide essential nutrients. Nitrogen promotes growth, phosphorus aids energy transfer, and
this balanced fertilizer provides essential nutrients. Nitrogen promotes green growth, phosphorus supports.
Integrated pest management relies on careful monitoring. We introduce beneficial insects as a biological control.
The infestation seems localized to this section. Good. The spray should handle it without harming the beneficial insects. Look, the beneficials are active here. Yes, I see the larvae. We only need to spot treat that section. We look for this deep yellow break near the stem, and it must yield slightly to the touch.
So this one is ready then.
You see how the color changes from green to this deep yellow-orange? Once it hits about halfway, that's when we know it's ready to pick.
This one is ready. See the color break and the soft skin.
And this one?
That needs another 2 days.
Hold it right there, let the red one clear out first, then you're clear for bay 4.
Dock 7 is clear for receiving.
Roger that. Sending the manifest now.
Barcode matches the manifest.
These are uniform, but I noticed a slight blemish here.
Yes, let's document that before we approve the lot.
Scan complete. Data looks good on this batch.
Confirmed. The firmness is within tolerance.
This batch from supplier 7 looks good. No major defects found.
Okay, cross-reference the consistency report with the last shipment.
The sugar levels seem inconsistent on this tray.
Let me check the historical data. We need to maintain the brick standard.
I'm noting a slight variation in color too.
This one has a defect right here.
Yes, I see it. Removing it now.
Brix level confirms optimal sweetness.
And our microbial tests ensure that every batch meets the highest safety standards.
We use the refractometer to verify the sweetness level against our standards.
And the microscope confirms the safety.
The refractometer confirms the high Brix level. We cross-reference that with the acidity.
Everything is well within the safety and quality standards.
Welcome to the sensory panel. Please evaluate the samples for aroma and texture.
The mouthfeel on sample 3 is quite unique.
I agree, it's very creamy.
We analyze the volatile compounds first, ensuring the aroma profile meets the target specifications. The fruity notes are prominent, but the mouthfeel is slightly astringent. We need to check the texture analysis data.
I agree, the viscosity is lower than the target.
Nice.
Before final approval, we need to correlate the flavor data with the texture analysis. Note any discrepancies in the aftertaste.
If the seal fails the leak test, we risk contamination. This is why the airtight packaging is absolutely critical for safety.
Why is airtight packaging critical? It protects the product from moisture, oxygen, and microbial contamination.
This red light means the seal failed. Airtight packaging is critical because it protects the product from contamination and ensures a long shelf life.
The integrity of the seal is paramount. This breach allows contaminants in, drastically reducing shelf life and ensuring the product is unsafe.
Our precision filling technology ensures high-speed accuracy, dispensing exact volumetric amounts with volumetric filling in progress. This advanced sensor technology ensures precision within 0.5 milliliters.
The precision filling technology ensures that these stainless steel nozzles dispense the exact amount of papaya juice into each bottle at high speed.
Our precision filling technology ensures exact amounts are dispensed at high speed, minimizing waste and maximizing. The vacuum chamber removes oxygen, which inhibits bacterial growth and oxidation, thereby significantly increasing. Vacuum packaging works by removing oxygen, which prevents the growth of bacteria and mold, significantly extending the shelf life of your food. The vacuum process effectively removes oxygen from the chamber. This significantly increases the shelf life of the products and prevents spoilage. As the chamber seals, the vacuum pump removes oxygen. This prevents spoilage and significantly increases the shelf life of the food inside.
By stamping the manufacturing date, expiry date, and batch number on every product, we ensure complete traceability and a robust recall safety system.
The system stamps the manufacturing date, expiry date, and a unique batch number. This enables full product.
Our high-speed printing ensures every product is stamped with the manufacturing date, expiry date, and a unique batch.
Our automated packing line achieves maximum throughput. Robotic arms precisely place products, while the seals. By integrating advanced robotics, we've achieved unprecedented automated efficiency. The system precisely places.
By integrating advanced robotics, we've achieved unprecedented efficiency, maintaining 99.9% uptime.